I'm going to show you how to trade an ETF, and that one is Jets. So Jets is made up of all of the major airlines. My trading style works for stocks, cryptos, futures, ETFs too. They move a little bit slower, but when you have ones that are kind of have that volatility based around the news that's happening of the day, as travel is getting hit right now. There's a lot of people traveling, but there's also a lot of complaints in travel. You're going to see that happening, especially with fuel prices in the airlines right now. So looking at this from a swing trading perspective, and remember, swing trading is 1 to 5/10 days. So you're going to be in the stock for 1 to 5, 10 days at the most, probably. It moves very quickly. So right now I'm noticing that we are starting to get this downward movement in the stock price. The volume is a little erratic. We're getting selling volume, buying volume, selling, buy, back and forth. But I'm mostly concerned about my stochastic. Red line has gone under yellow. So what does that tell me? It says to me, as soon as I get selling volume coming into the stock, and I'm hoping that this is tomorrow, and I get a red engulfing candlestick that breaks me through this current support level that it's at, $18.82, I will be able to sell this thing short. Now, what price will I be able to go to? I want to see where I have some type of exit strategy on Jets. I'm not saying that I'm going to exit at, this is the exact price I'm going to exit. What I'm saying is it's going to give me a general idea of where I'm going to exit, maybe where I'll take profits and go from there. So under that little level, I'm probably thinking somewhere in this $17 area is where I'll end up taking profits or exiting my position. So we'll get this thing running down here. Yellow line will follow. We'll start to get these red candles moving down. At about $17, that's where I'm going to end up taking profits. If you want to do this at a longer term pace, you certainly can, because this is looking like a really good long-term trend down. And let's really zoom out here so we can see what we were working with. So same type of candles. We're looking at the exact same candles. Remember, candles on this chart and candles on my other chart are exactly the same. The stochastics are what are different. And you'll notice right now we have a beautiful downtrend setting up. All we're waiting for is that engulfing candlestick that breaks us through this resistance point of $18.82. And from there, where can we fall to? This is where I'm drawing in my next support level. It's about, $16, $16.50, somewhere in that range. And if it drops below that, you're going to return to these COVID levels of $12 to $13. So there's multiple ways that you can make money on the airlines as they're coming down in price. Catch you on the flippity flop.